So ukitaka machine mpya, that is kama hii yenye iko hapa. This is a brand new machine. Haijatumika, it's 00 hours, it's from 2026. This is the new shape for this machine. So if you require these new machines for the 20 ton, we have the 20 ton, we have the 30 ton, we have the 38 ton, and we have the 13 ton, and we have the 7 and 6 tons. So hii ni 20 ton. Hapa hivi iko 13.5 tons. Yote ni mpya, and you can look at the interior condition. Mpya kabisa. Na hapa hivi you can check the buckets. The bucket ya hii pia. Na hapa bado iko 38 ton machine, bado mpya, brand new. Mining truck na mining bucket hapa. Machine mpya haijaienda mahali. So these machines are accessible here, and they are actually very affordable. So anytime unataka machine mpya, be it this 38 ton, this 20 ton, or the 13 ton machine here, and we have 6 and 7 tons machine on that side, we are going to show them. So we are here to ensure we reliably get you new machines. Thank you.